Dear viewers, today we are dealing with the deficiency of riboflavin, that is vitamin B2. A riboflavinosis, that is also known as riboflavin deficiency, can cause a range of symptoms affecting the mouth, skin, eyes, and the mood. First is cheilosis. It is nothing but the chapped and cracked lips. Second is angular stomatitis. It is the inflammation and cracks at the corners of the mouth. Next is glossitis. In this condition, the tongue becomes red and inflamed. And last is sore throat, in which swelling and soreness takes place. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.